Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Inside this video I'm going to show you guys another powerful strategy that you can use to catch up your spike, and you can use this to trade this particular trade successful without any problem. So guys, this thing is very simple. I will show you the setup of this strategy, but kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, and also join our Telegram group because we drop more updates on it. So guys, this is crash 600 on 1 minute time frames. I'm going to show you how to use this particular strategy to catch up your spike every day, and also you can use this to also buy your trade on this crash 600 on 1 minute time frames. So what you just need is very simple. We need only two indicator here, which is two strategy to catch up this updates. And what we're going to do is very simple. So number one thing that you need to notice is that we have our 90 level here, we have our 10th level here, and this is our average 9, and we have our moving average, which is the blue 9 here that you see. So what we are going to be checking is that any of our permanent trade, any of our accurate level trade that stay on our level, that's what we are going to be taking. Guys. So let me show you guys. For example, currently we have a trade moving at this particular zone, and this is what we are seeing in the market. So what you are going to do is that anytime you have this your moving average line, which is the blue line, that go below the 10th level, and you can discover that it does not move away, from that particular chart. You can see, let me draw the screen back from this particular zone. It does not move away from that 10th level until you drag it to this level. It does not move away from it. So let me move it forward. You can see the moving average still stay on that 10th level. That's to tell us that that particular place is very accurate to buy a trade. You can see that, and we are going to work the same thing for spike entry. You can see anytime you have your trade move above the 90 level, like what happened here now, like what you are looking at now. This is an example of what we are going to take, and you move it from the beginning to the end. You discover that it does not move away, so your entry will be around somewhere here, and you can easily catch down the spike massively, guys. So what you are going to do now is that you look for it and you move it from beginning to the end, and you discover that it stay on that same level. Not like this one. If you see this now, although we have a trade that respect that particular zone, but it does not guarantee you anything. So if you move it from beginning to the end, we can see now that it has jumped up from this level. It has jumped up, and if you move it to the front, you can see that it does not sit on that level. So this is not the kind of trade you are going to take. So just wait patiently and wait for that accurate entry to see. Like this now, if we check this now, we will see that we have that perfect accurate entry in this level, and we can see that. So we move it from beginning to the end, and we see that it stay on that 10th level. So our perfect entry will be around here, and we can easily catch up a massive a buy zone at that particular place. So you just wait for that perfect entry. So that's exactly what you just need to do, and with this strategy you can catch up a lot of spike every day. So this strategy works on all boom and crash index. All what you need to do is to do the settings, and everything is going to is going to go along to what you plan. You can see this again. Also, we have another confirmation entry here. You can see that. So we are going to move it from beginning to the end. If it sits on that 90 level, you can see that it sits. So that's to tell us that we have a confirmation entry around here. And you can see what the markets do. It do a zigzag before giving us a confirmation entry for massive spike. So guys, let me show you guys the setup of this strategy so that you can also set up. You only need two strategy here. We have the average directional movement index, which is our parameter is going to be 20. We have our level 50 is our take profit, and we have 90 as our selling zone. We have 10 as our buy zone. So you can see everything on the chart, and we have our style here. This style must be the color of your background. So if you are using white background, so make sure that it does not affect the chart. So put it on your color of the background, and this is our two other color here, our plus di and di and -1. So you set it up like that. And the second indicator that you need is the moving average. So we have the period to be 30, we have shift to be 0, we have method to be simple, we have apply to close. That's exactly what you need. And we have our blue as our color here. You can choose any color of your choice, then you press on save. Once you do that, then you have the same setup I have here. Don't forget, what you need to do is to make sure that particular entry is accurate. And to confirm you're accurate, you move it from the beginning of the chart to the end of the chart and make sure they sit on that level. That's when you can discover that particular zone is accurate on your mobile phone. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and do well to follow our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash daily index. Thanks.